Hey there everybody, just a really quick video. I'm working on these new journals to hopefully go in the shop today. These are all occasion journals. You just make out of them whatever you want. So no boundaries, no rules, no whatever. You just do what you want with them. They're really super cool. I did some sewing this morning before my sewing machine is making squeaking noise and it's super annoying, but Chris went outside, so I just continued along with my squeaky, annoying, it is really annoying sewing machine. I have looked at some videos and I cannot see exactly what's wrong with it. I had this business card piece in a file folder, so I just want to transform that really fast here because I like these magnetic cards that people leave at my house for no really apparent reason at all. But hey, you know, they make the most awesome refrigerator magnets. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of looking at some stuff and seeing what I could use, and can I use this and can I use that. And I did have some things out here in my little scrapbook, but I don't have that at my desk at the moment. So I think we're just going to do this, and we're just going to put that down right there. And then, you know, let's find, you know, maybe a little word of the day or something like that. Maybe a little piece of washi. Let's see what we have in here in my new... Yeah, just found exactly what I want. This says snap out of it because sometimes you just need a cup of tea and you just need to snap out of it, which is what I'm going to do. As I take this metallic, not metallic, but you know what I'm talking about. As I take this piece downstairs, and it is the perfect magnetic refrigerator magnet. So there you go. That's what I'm doing today. What are you guys up to? See you later. Bye.